Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a kielbasa and pierogi sheet pan meal. I'll be starting off with 1 pound of kielbasa that I've cut into roughly 3-inch pieces, and then I went ahead and sliced those in half, and I'll be putting those on a lightly oiled sheet pan. Into a bowl I'll be adding in 1 bell pepper that I've cut into strips and 4 ounces of button mushrooms that I've cut in half, along with 1/2 pound of yellow squash. You can also use zucchini here. In fact, that's what the recipe calls for. But since we're growing yellow squash, I decided to go ahead and use those today. I'll be topping them off with a little bit of oil, about 1/8 cup of it. And then in here I have 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Once those are coated in the seasoning and the oil, I'll be spreading them across the sheet pan. In the same bowl, I'll be adding in 1 12-ounce box of frozen pierogies, the remaining oil, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, and then for the seasonings I have a smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and I'm using chipotle chili powder, but if you don't want that much spice, use just a regular chili powder. Once I got the pierogies coated in the seasoning, I went ahead and laid them out on the sheet pan, making sure that they make contact with the bottom of the pan so that they'll help crisp up while they're in the oven. These are now ready to go into a 400-degree oven where they're going to bake for 30 minutes, and about halfway through I'll take it out and then turn everything over, making sure that the pierogies get browned up on both sides. Gone ahead and removed the kielbasa and pierogi sheet pan dinner out of the oven. Now the pierogies didn't crisp up quite as much as I wanted them to, but there was a lot of moisture from the vegetables that collected on the bottom of the tray, and I think that's what prevented them from getting nice and crispy. But it smells absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to dive in and try it out. Make sure to get a little bite of everything here. The edges of the pierogies did get a little bit of crispness to them, so it adds a nice little bit of textural contrast to the rest of the dish. The vegetables are really well cooked, and I really like the seasoning on here. That chipotle chili powder really adds a nice little spicy kick to it. Nothing overwhelming, just a nice little subtle heat in the back of your throat. Overall, I really like dishes like this for the middle of the week. They're something I can throw together really quick and have dinner on the table in no time. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.